StatLab's mission is to empower anatomic pathology laboratories to provide the best patient care through accurate, timely, and cost-effective diagnostics. A key component of our growth strategy is to help laboratories to improve patient care by introducing innovative diagnostic solutions with improved clinical utility. The hTERT test, with its enhanced sensitivity and added clinical information, is a perfect fit for that. We're currently targeting large reference labs that do a high volume of urology testing, because that will give us significant results given the resources we have in place today. And we're also targeting urologist-owned physician office laboratories, because those laboratories recognize the business opportunity associated with adding the test and the enhanced clinical utility and value to their patients. With our recent acquisition of American MasterTech, StatLab distributes to over 5,000 laboratories in the United States on a regular basis. The reception from pathologists and labs in the U.S. has been positive. Urine cytology is a widely performed test, but it has well-recognized limitations in sensitivity. Pathologists have been extremely interested to learn about the new hTERT test, which helps address a genuine, previously unmet market need. They see real value in the enhanced sensitivity and clinical information offered by the test, and at a far lower cost than some of the current diagnostic alternatives. Pathologists know about telomerase. What's new to them is how to interpret its presence in urothelial cells contained in urine samples. Because the test is so new, we have found that pathologists are interested to learn about it and try it, but they can be a little hesitant to use it on a routine basis until they've gained direct experience with it. Our technical support team helps them out with in-house evaluations to help them over that learning curve. As it is with most new diagnostics, we expect that hesitance to decrease as more and more labs adopt the test and as peer review publications further validate the test. The hTERT test is core and a critical focus product in our advanced diagnostics portfolio. The product definitely requires a more clinical sell. In addition to our general anatomic pathology sales representatives, we've hired our first Advanced Diagnostics Sales Specialist to help provide added capability and focus on larger opportunities. We intend to increase this investment over the next 2 years. In addition to our current direct sales and marketing efforts, including our website, catalog, and brochures, we'll attend targeted urology conferences this year, where we'll feature hTERT to increase visibility to the test. Our representatives and technical support team follow up with the lab regularly post-implementation, just to make sure everything is running okay, and provide any support that may be required. Generally, a lab will increase their usage over time for several reasons. The referring urologists become aware of the additional useful information provided by hTERT, so they order it up front more often. The pathologists become more familiar with the test, and they reflex to it more often. Generally, the labs that offer this test are providing better clinical information to the urologists, all from the same urine sample. That leads to an increased number of urologists choosing to send their samples to those labs, but it also is likely that they send more urines for testing because the information returned is more useful than when it was urine cytology alone. We have 27 reps covering all major markets in the U.S. Our entire sales force is involved in prospecting and lead generation for the hTERT product. We have found that adoption rate varies pretty significantly from a few months to as much as 6 months, depending on the size of the laboratory. These labs are extremely busy, and the people working in them already have a high workload to get through. Introducing a new test that they need to optimize, evaluate, and then ultimately validate for use in that lab can take significant time, since they don't have the resources to put someone on it full-time. There are also multiple decision makers in the lab who need to be familiarized with the test before a decision can be made to adopt it and add it to their service offering, which requires time and effort on the part of the salesperson to cover all of those people. hTERT's enhanced clinical impact supports our mission of helping laboratories to provide the best patient care. So far, hTERT has demonstrated significant diagnostic potential as an adjunctive assay for bladder cancer patients. We believe this is just the start of hTERT's diagnostic potential. With broader laboratory use and peer-reviewed study, we believe a host of broader diagnostic applications will be uncovered for the marker, which means more growth opportunities for Sienna and StatLab, and we're excited about that.